Got a nice view of the park. I had no clue they was back here. Say hey, come. Got some little spaceship thingy looking thing up there. I might go sit up there. Me and my little girl might go up there. Get a view from the top part. I seen the geese over here. This geese got a red head. I never seen one of them. But when I seen that motherfucker, I said, I ain't finna get no closer. He got his little child with him. But that motherfucker he got a red head. A geese with a red looking head. I don't know if you know about them geese, but they will attack your ass if you play with their little ones. So I just want to let them, you know. I see a white head one and a red head one. You see? The red one just ducked his head in the water. He coming back up now. Wow. Red, you see him? He taking him a water break right now. And the white one just looking. There go the regular geese right here. The regular one, he just drinking. Pretty interesting back here. Come here. We finna go to the top up here, see what this thing here about. Kinda look like a spaceship. Let's go to the top, come. Come, are you enjoying the scene?
Yeah.
Got some woods right here. I see a lot of couples walk through here. That don't sound like a bad idea. Come out here on a little romantic evening. Just sit back and chill and watch nature. Now we done made it here to the top. Wow, immaculate view. Wow. Wow. Right in the middle of the city. Very decent scenery. Call him right back.